I hope that you like this video clip very much. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Masaru Tamagawa, from Managing Director from Sony India. Today, I have here to announce the launch of our new CyberShot, Super Wide Shot and the Super Model campaign. As you can see, we have taken Miss Deepika Padukone as our brand ambassador for CyberShot. I guess your next question should be why Sony chose her. The reason is very simple. The new range of CyberShot is super stylish and super functional, which makes it super model as Deepika Padukone. And together, they make the super model campaign for us. This supermodel CyberShot can take super wide shot with its sweep panorama function, which can click image up to 270 degrees. We plan to do a sizable investment of 50 crore in 2010 on advertisement and promotion activity. And with this, we aim to attain 45% market share, which is absolute #1 position in digital still camera in this country. Now, without further delay, I'd like to introduce to you our brand ambassador, Miss Deepika Padukone.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Tamagawa-san with the lovely Deepika Padukone and, of course, the lovely new CyberShot. So I think with that, it's a wrap with the photo shoot. Thank you all. Now, of course, I'm sure all of you are looking forward to an interactive session with Tamagawa-san and, of course, the charming Deepika Padukone. So that is coming up. I request all of you to kindly take your seats. So, ladies and gentlemen, we shall pass around the cordless mics. We'll request you to just raise your arm. We'll give the mic to you. You can introduce yourself and put forth your question. So once again, sirs, I'd request you to please take your seats.
Please take your seat. Yes, please.
Deepika, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm loud enough. Can you hear me? Yeah. Deepika, you've been endorsing a number of brands these days. What was the reason you picked Sony, and what's so special about the camera?
I think like Sir mentioned earlier, I think it's the fact that it's classy, it's fashionable, it's sleek, it's stylish, it's very user-friendly at the same time. I think these are the qualities that I think they saw in me as a person, and I see in them as a brand. And whenever I choose a brand, I think it has to be a mix of both. You have to feel for the brand. And there are certain qualities that they find in me that associate with the brand, and likewise. So precisely for that reason.
And you live a life in front of the camera as a model and as an actress. But do you like going behind the camera as well, take photos?
Absolutely.
Videos?
In fact, I carry one of these with me all the time. In fact, even before I started endorsing them, I've been a huge fan of Sony cameras, and I think it's always important to carry one with you, and especially something like this, it's very easy to carry. And just capture moments, because you never know when, where, what is going to happen, and you can capture some of the most beautiful moments and look back at them years later and cherish them.
So you basically shoot people, or it's like...
I shoot all kinds of things. I shoot people, I shoot... if I find something strange or funny, I shoot that. If I find a funny poster somewhere, I'll shoot that. Because it brings back old memories, always.
Thank you.
What is the special feature which fascinated about this camera to you?
As I shown you,
I'm asking on the Deepika.
yes, the sweep panorama. Yeah, it can click the images up to 270 degrees with one click like this. Yeah,
you already introduced in the market, already marketed?
Yes, it is
because
already
I have
marketed.
this camera.
Yes, yeah. So today is the launch of our supermodel campaign with Deepika. Yeah. Any other questions?
The price point for the camera.
Price point, okay, the cyber shot start from 6,990 rupee, but super wide shot featured from how much? 12,990 rupee.
Will there be any more questions?
Yeah. Hello Deepika, I'm Kanika from News 24.
Hi.
मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि वो कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक ब्रांड एक एक्टर की वैल्यू को बढ़ाते हैं. तो डू यू थिंक वो फिल्में होती हैं कि अगर फिल्में हिट हो जाती हैं तो एक एक्टर की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो जाती है, और अगर फिल्म्स फ्लॉप हो जाती हैं तो वही वैल्यू उनकी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. वो कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं?
Yeah, I think consistency in the success ratio of your films. I think your fan following. And I think just the overall image of an actor. I think it's a combination of a lot of things. But yes, I believe that for me, my purpose today in life is an actor. For me, my films are the most important thing. And today, if I'm endorsing a brand like Sony, it's because of the fact that I'm probably a successful actor. My films do well. There's a certain connectivity that I have with my fans, and my fans connect with me. And the reach that I have to the audience. And also, I think the fact that I've been a model earlier in my life, that is the most important connect with Sony.
That relates you to the brand.
Yeah, yeah.
आप इस ब्रांड के साथ कितने टाइम ड्यूरेशन के लिए हैं, एंड व्हाट अमाउंट यू आर गेटिंग फॉर इट?
You really think I'm going to tell you now?
Yeah, I can. Just say that.
I've never discussed that. I've never discussed that, and I never will.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Deepika, this is Swati from Z Business. What all other gadgets fascinates you other than a camera?
Apart from my mobile phone, I only carry a camera, and it is the Cyber Shot.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Will there be any more questions?
Last question. Deepika, have you ever faced any disaster as a model because the camera was bad or the shot didn't come out well?
Never. I've always believed in working with people I'm comfortable with. So whether it's the ramp, fortunately I've never had any disasters. And even in terms of photo shoot, I think it's very important to trust the person that you work with. It's important that you trust that they know what they're doing. And work with people who you're comfortable with. That's important.
Well, with that, it's a wrap. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Deep.
Ladies and gentlemen, we request you to kindly do this in an organized manner. And of course, thank you once again for attending the Sony press conference, launching the fabulous new CyberShot. We request